Let's go, man.
Elevator, boys. Let's go, Marine.
Ooh, looking good there, Voogle. Do it. Let's go.
You're going down. I know. Oh my God. Oh yeah, baby.
I got that button all pushed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got the button pushed.
Why the fuck are you doing this?
Here you go. Looking good, boys.
Shoes off. We're gonna get busted for shoes. Oh my God. You're scared to get busted for shoes on?
They're going to the lobby, right? They're going to the lobby.
Yeah.
You gotta ask.
That's hilarious.
No, everyone's seeing this. Everyone's seeing this. Ask when they're going down.
Oh man, Rachel, what's your opinion, Rachel?
I don't know what the fuck is happening. I just got back.
You're lucky last time you got back for this.
Oh my God.
Are you going to the elevator?
Okay.
I want to see everyone's face.
Do
I have to go out of the elevator?
No. We're just gonna stand behind you.
Alright.
6-0. Let's go, boys. Press the. Everyone's coming out to see this.
I don't care.
Press the button some more.
Not right now.
No, we just got it.
Voogle, I think you're liking this.
I actually only had 4 shots and there's this much left, which means I drank the
It was
rest
either
of
they
it.
run buck through the hallway or
No,
they
yeah,
go down the
no.
elevator.
Yeah, you're on video.
I don't remember.
They took boxes.
You're looking good.
How the fuck long is the elevator take?
I like Marino's
Press the
chest
button
hair.
some more.
It's your room?
No matter if it goes up or down, you still
We're going
got
to the
it.
lobby. We're sending them down to the lobby in their boxes.
Are you guys going?
Oh, you want to be in this production?
We're not going.
Yeah, I want to be in this.
I'm not going with them.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna be behind you guys.
Go down, boys! Go down! Alright.
Let's go. Marino, let's go. Apologize for this.
Yeah, hey, yeah.
Hey, just
Yeah, seriously.
those are tours.
Is Nick in here?
No. That's what happens when you don't take any cups, boys.
You're an idiot. It's entirely your fault.
They suck 2 cups.
Yeah, well, you're an idiot.
Man, this is really awkward.
It is.
Like, even now, it's just very tense. And there we go, boys. All right, let's
I'm
do the
scared.
reaction.
Scooting over.
Oh, no, this is 2, actually.
Oh, yeah, we'll get it.
You guys. Okay. Let's see some reactions here.
No.
Get over here.
We need to get out. So
There's nobody in here.
Alright.
excuse me.
Guys going up?
Nice.
Go.
There's
go,
nobody.
go,
Keep
go,
those
go,
doors
go,
open.
go,
Keep them
go.
open.
No, let him in. Whoa.
I was like, guys, come on in.
Thank you.
No.
Can
You have no balls or something?
why are they sure?
And is this awkward for you guys?
Yeah.
They made no cups in beer pong, so
Yeah.
any opinions personally, this is gonna be on the internet. So
Is it?
what do you think of this?
You guys 14. Excuse me.
Which one do you want?
14, please.
Bye.
Oh, she's cute.
This is nice.
You're just videotaping them?
I'm not videotaping everybody.
Creeper.
Well,
Is this gonna be
so many videotape.
Yeah, this is funny. I feel bad for you guys still.
I don't
What
care.
you guys
It's
do?
fucking lost.
They made no cups in beer pong.
Yeah.
It was either run buck down the hallway or in the elevator down the lobby in the
I would-
boxers.
Wait, run butt naked?
Yeah.
Dog, it's
Yo, I
cold.
would've done
You're
that.
freezing.
Yeah, how the nips doing, boys?
How long did you guys
Hey, we're back! And we're back! Enjoy it. Bye, guys.